The letter U is a vowel. It often says the sound ah. Ah. This is called the short ah sound. Many words contain the short ah sound. Let's listen to some words and see if you can hear the short ah sound. Does the word bus contain the short ah sound? Bus. Bus. Yes, it does. Does the word hug contain the short ah sound? Hug. Hug. Yes, it does. Does the word vet contain the short ah sound? Vet. Vet. No, it doesn't. Does the word run contain the short ah sound? Run. Run. Yes, it does. Does the word mug contain the short ah sound? Mug. Mug. Yes, it does.
Letter E.